Hey there, sorry about that last video. My computer is really hot because it's a MacBook Pro and it's like 6 years old, so it gets way too hot and it starts running really slow. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the thing again and show you the inventory actually working and such. If it goes sometime. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and steal everything again. If you guys want to see actually it equipping as it's being looted. It's equipping what it can. It won't automatically equip. I guess that's assigned as feet then. Yeah, it is. Alright. It won't automatically equip these ones that require multiple slots, just because I didn't want it to mess up, honestly. I might try to tackle that eventually, but it's just not what I'm doing right now. Plus, I think it'd be kind of ridiculous if you looted something and you had a head and chest and whatever, and it would de-equip all that. I think it's kind of ridiculous. So if you want to equip that, you just right-click it, obviously, and it'll automatically equip to the correct location, which is the chest. It equips to chest. Special equip type is full body armor. Requires equip slots, head, chest, hands, and feet. So if we push it over into the chest here, it just automatically will acquire those slots. And you can see it again if I put something like the gloves. It's right close. Put that hands thingy, which is a vamp razor, and it should drop those vamp razors into the inventory, which is right there. And this thing will require the main-handed offhand. So if I right-click that one, it takes the main-handed offhand. And what I wanted to show you guys is actually, I'm going to go ahead and take everything out here for a second. It's just going to be slow because I'm using my... Okay, there we go. This is probably going to be kind of nasty in here. Hopefully it worked okay. I'm going to come into here. I'm going to go into my vitals for now, just to show you the health. Okay. And I'm going to equip this piece of armor. Gotta do that. Deselect. And if you see it, oh, I'm regenerating. That's why I was like, why is it going up so much? Yeah. So the regeneration is actually working. So it's assigned to whatever it was, 5 or 15 or whatever it was. And each one of these things is actually adding the health and such for it. So this one adds 100 energy and 100 health. So I don't know if it adds anything. Oh, it adds it adds strength, stamina, intelligence, wisdom, and dexterity. So it also adds stats through that as well, because stats affect, obviously, your... so here's strength. Let's see. So the current value is not the actual stat, like it is the current value of the player, but the actual stat is here in the total stats, which is 30. You see the gear additions is what handles all the gear additions. So it adds 15 gear additions, and that's what it is. If you can see it, it says strength is 15, and if I take it off, you'll see that the gear additions goes down to 0, and your total stat is 15 again. So you can add multiples, and it should handle them fine. If I add this one's a lot, there you go. So now my total stat is 50 because I have 35, so this one's 20, and then that one's 15, so 35. My energy is going to be ginormous now because this one adds 1255. See, much bigger than the other values. Everything else works as well. Skills and such are all also being added. Gear additions, you can see right here, it's 10. Oh, sorry, it's right here, 10. And I think it's popping up through the gloves here, of these things. Yeah. Healing is 10 on these gloves. Yeah, I think that is about all I have right now. And I think that is definitely long enough since I've been doing this for like an hour. Thanks for watching my videos. I will try to keep updated, but I do have college now, so I'll do what I can.